Hi, this is the evaluation of the order trading system activity for July the 23rd, 2021. We had two trades on that day. One was a buy, one was a short sell. First trade was INO. And that's Inovio Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, tripped at 2:35:20 p.m. at a price of $8.23. It was a buy. It closed the day at 8.20, down 5.09%. So let's see if there's any opportunity. Yeah, 230, 235. So roughly around this area, but you can see here it came up, and then dropped again. So we're talking 252 to almost an hour period here where it was above its tripping price, which for me is a positive outcome, as you had more than enough time to get out of that stock. Okay. Check to see if the indicators are showing roughly positive movement. OBV came up and then dropped. MACD had come up, went down afterwards. That normal MACD averages usually does that a lot. You usually see up and down movement on MACD, but at least it came up fairly strongly and tapered off a bit. DI, you can see DI actually, surprisingly, it was more positive, it was positive in the afternoon a little bit, positive late mid-afternoon, but the rest of the day it was somewhat negative. So the stock technically was moving down, and at the end of the day you could see DI showing that it was moving negative again, and Bollinger Band basically is showing you that it came down and then recovered here in the afternoon, which is where it tripped, and then went down a little bit. It was moving a little bit positive, but a little bit more negative than positive, this stock. So it just happened to be that it moved up above its tripping price by a period of time that made it a positive outcome. Next trade is DAL. That's Delta Airlines Incorporated, tripped at 3:40:08 p.m. at a price of $40.49. It was a short sell. It closed the day at $40.41, down 1.58%, so that's another positive, as it closed below its tripping price, which is what we want to have happen for a short trade or short sell trade. OBV pretty much looks like it's moving downwards. MACD, you can see this period in the afternoon it came down fairly strongly down. DI down, basically bouncing back and forth. When that happens on DI, it's somewhat, indicating somewhat sideways movement because of the upwards and downwards movement. But you can see here at the end of the day, it just dropped, and dropped fairly heavily. When you got the average up, moving up that high, that's a strong directional movement. So that stock definitely was moving negative at the end of the day, and Bollinger Band just basically showing the same thing, sideways movements for the most part, and then that drop at the end of the day. So stock technically was moving down. Anyways, that's two stocks out of two stocks. That's 100%. Can't get much better than that. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.